I'm going to show you this 5-minute method on how you can find your affiliate marketing niche that's extremely profitable. Now, this is going to work if you're a complete beginner, you have no business experience, and if you're still working a 9-to-5 job and your goal is to achieve financial and time freedom. You see, in this video, I'm going to show you my framework on how you can find a profitable niche. But at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a custom AI bot that will do it for you in just minutes. If you're excited to see this, say Freedom Rebels down below, and let's get into the training. So I'm going to go ahead and share screen here, and I want to show you how to find a niche that pays a lot of money, especially in affiliate marketing. Now, this also works for digital marketing or any type of business that you want to start. Basically, the way it works is I like to break this down into 3 categories. Okay, so we got category 1, we got category 2, and category 3. I know that's ugly, but bear with me. Basically, what we're doing is we're trying to find the 3 segments that can make us the most money, okay? And that's typically this zone right here, okay? After all these overlap, this is, I call this the money-making zone, right? So this is where you make a lot of money. Typically, the way you find your niche, okay, before you even go out and do the market research or any of that, you need to figure out does it even make money, right? Because that's kind of important, because you don't want to do something that not only do you love, but just doesn't make money, okay? So it's kind of important to understand. So the first part is expertise, okay? Or knowledge. What are you knowledgeable about? What are you really good at, right? This is really important because it kind of gives you a leg up on, what you can start promoting as an affiliate, what you can start to teach, right? Are you good at crypto? Are you good at teaching real estate? Are you good at teaching health and fitness, right? So those are the things that you're going to want to start to think about, is the knowledge, right? Another thing is, what do you love? Okay. Like, what do you love doing? Okay. Love talking about with your friends and family, even if you're not even getting paid, right? So that's really important as well, because if you're in a niche that it just makes money, but you hate talking about it, then it's going to suck. You're not going to be able to continue. You're not going to have that longevity, right? So you want to be able to love what you talk about. And then last thing here is, it needs to make money, right? It needs to have a high search volume, high trends, right? So I'll just put money here because we need to make sure that we can make money with this niche, okay? Now, a lot of niches you can go into, right? I mean, for me, I teach people how to make money online. So we call it the make money online niche. Okay. That's my niche. I love teaching people how to make money online. So all my products that I sell and I promote, they're all based on making money online. Okay. Some people love talking about health and fitness, right? So we got health and fitness. That's great. I think this is a great niche, right? Because with health and fitness, you can help people, whether it's losing weight or gaining muscle, or even as super niche as like talking about peptides, right? Maybe if you've seen some of my Facebook posts, I'm talking about peptides, right? That's under the health niche. It's just like a subcategory, right? So we can start to think about some of those things, right? So, peptides or whatever it is you want to talk about, right? So peptides or building muscle or losing weight, whatever it is, right? And then, we can go into, real estate and so on and so forth, right? And we can go on, right? We got crypto, so many niches that you can tap into, right? But whatever you choose, right? And even if it's like a sub niche, right? So for example, mine's the make money online. Under that is affiliate marketing, right? So affiliate marketing, that's what I teach. I teach people how to crush it with affiliate marketing, how to quit their jobs. So that's kind of my sub niche, right? So when you start to look at this, it's like, okay, so do I have knowledge of this? Okay. Now, I know some of you are going to get stuck here. Like, well, I don't know. I don't know anything about anything, right? Maybe you're thinking that, right? So when I started, I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. Well, the cool thing about knowledge is you can learn, right? You can buy courses, buy mentors, hire mentors or whatever it is to gain that knowledge, right? This is actually something that you can build. It's not like you have to have this right away. So that's one thing I do want to mention, okay? But you do have to love talking about it, right? I can talk about affiliate marketing and making money online all day, every day. I love talking about it, okay? And it happens to be a very, very profitable niche, okay? Now, another thing you can look at to see if it's like profitable is look if it's trending, right? And the way you do that, and I'm going to show you how we can do this. But one thing I like to do to see if something is trending is I'll go to YouTube, and what I'll do is I'll type in my niche, right? So affiliate marketing. Okay. And you'll notice, obviously, affiliate marketing is massive. This is such a massive niche, right? So you'll notice here, it's showing 450,000 searches per month. Absolutely insane. So that tells me that it's profitable, okay? It's not always going to be profitable, but typically if something's trending, it's probably making a lot of money, okay? So that's something to look at, right? So whatever it is, you could type into Google, and the way I get these keywords to show how many monthly search volume is with this Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere, okay? It's a Chrome extension you can add, and whatever keyword that you add in here, it's gonna tell you how many searches per month people are searching this, okay? So really cool that you can do that. So that's how I find a niche, right? Whether it's affiliate marketing or digital marketing, whatever that niche is, okay? This is the spot you want to be in, okay? So this is how we're gonna find our niche. Now, I wanna show you a way that you can use AI to do this all for you. Now, if you want this, I want you to say AI hack down below, okay? Because this is really exciting. I think you're gonna love this. So I'm sure most of you have already used ChatGPT. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to ChatGPT, and I'll show you how you can get this niche builder for free, okay? In ChatGPT, you're gonna go to where it says explore GPTs, okay? You're gonna look for this button here, okay? Once you click on this, you're gonna see it's kind of like it looks like a store. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna just type in Jonathan Montoya, okay? You can type in my name just like that, Jonathan Montoya, and you should find this right here. It says niche finder affiliate marketing, okay? So you should find that right there, okay? Now I do have some other things as well, which we'll talk about later, but if you click on this, this is basically my entire brain dumped into a custom ChatGPT AI robot, okay? Basically like me being there, helping you, walk you through the process on which niche you should go and pick, okay? Basically what you do here is you can start to have a conversation with this, okay? So, right here, don't know my niche, help me. You can click on that. So for example, you could click on this right here, and it's gonna go and it's gonna help you start to find your niche, okay? And this is all based on my framework, okay? This is all based on everything that I've taught to over 60,000 students. As you can see here, it tells you everything that you need to know. It asks you the questions. That way we can find your niche for you, okay? So this is the best thing you can have besides having me there at your computer, right? Because so many people want to hire me, they want to fly me out and help them build this business. Well, this is the best way I can do it to help the masses, right? Because I believe so much in affiliate marketing. I want you guys to be able to use what I've created. And now with the power of AI, now you can literally just type into it and I'm gonna be there answering, because I've put my entire framework, my brain, my courses into this custom GPT. So I want you to use this. I want you to talk to the ChatGPT AI that I created, and this is gonna help you find your niche, okay? Hey, thank you so much for watching this video on how to find your profitable niche. Now do me a favor and let me know down below which niche are you gonna get into. Now, if you wanna skip everything that I just taught in this video and just clone my exact system that promotes multiple different products, I wanna invite you to my challenge. It's the Leave Your 9-to-5 challenge. It's gonna show you exactly how you can tap into multiple income streams on day number 1. I'm gonna leave that down below in the description, and we'll see you on the inside. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.